Come January 1st, all the state laws come into effect, which give us recreational and medicinal commercial cannabis sales. So if you're 21 and over and you can prove that you're over 21 with a passport or an ID, you can come and shop at any dispensary that has a state and local license. It doesn't really matter what Jeff Sessions and Donald Trump want. It really comes down to our democracy asking for what we need. And we have 40 states that currently have a medical law or a recreational law on the books. There's only 10 states left, so we already have the majority of states.